So, good morning. I'm on the roof. That was the priority to start with the work because he had a big leak. And it is, yeah, they changed all the construction of the roof, so I will show you. So here it was normally, it was higher. You can see it here. I have to be careful where I'm walking. The roof was like this, so it went more up. So they took it all down and made this, but yeah, that's not really good because yeah, there are some draining, but yeah, it is too much. It doesn't. The water doesn't flow away. So then it starts here, collect. So here it become totally rotten. So I took it off. So I have to make some other wood over there and also here. And then yeah, a new plate on it and close it again. And then that water flows a little bit away and not to there. So okay, let's start. So I made some new, a small one. And a big one. So let's take it upstairs. So this one goes back in. On the other one. And then I can connect this all back together. Okay. So it is done. So now I can close it again and make that up again, and then yeah. So almost done. So if I close it and make it straight there, then I can put the rubber back on. And yeah, what a job. So the weather is not that good today, but I try to get the roof closed with some wood, and hopefully it will get dry later in the afternoon, or maybe tomorrow. Then I can glue it, everything on the plastic and the rest. And I found here some wood to close the roof. There's where I'm working, on there. And here some storage. I found some old wood what was on a floor, so I can use that for to close the floor. Okay, let's do this. So I cleaned them all up. So let's put it in. So now this is close again. Now I have to think about to close this and make some upstanding plank. Okay. Now we are here. Close this. Still a little piece in the corner, and I close this up. So I have to fill that up, the corners, and then we can make everything close again. Wow, what a job. So now everything is closed. So it has to dry a little, and then I can, yeah, glue it back. Yes. So that is done. Finally, the weather was dry. It is done, it is close. It doesn't win the beauty contest, but the water doesn't come in anymore. And yeah, I make a nice reparation. Yeah, the whole roof has to be new, but yeah, you have to get first to get rid of the leaks, because else it's only get worse and worse. So okay, that's done.